So my name's Amanda Outhouse.
Oh, my name's Emma Helms.
It's Marcelo Almeida.
So my name is Katie Bitney.
Nicole Huntley.
Can't say enough about IPPA.
IPPA Fellowship essentially saved my bacon, so they allowed me to stay in school.
The offer that I got from Iowa State, nobody else could match that.
If it wouldn't have been for the IPPA funding, I don't know if I would be at Iowa State.
Funding was utilized in, again, furthering my education in a toxicology residency, taking courses here at Iowa State to obtain my master's in toxicology, and then also kind of specialize, as I mentioned, in veterinary tox.
And at Iowa State, my PhD research was looking at different carbohydrates, specifically beta-mannans and xylose, and how they come from fiber, but also similar mechanistic actions and their impact on energy metabolism in the pig.
And in that project, I looked at post-absorptive metabolism of pigs that were co-infected with Mycoplasma pneumoniae and Lawsonia intracellularis. Different
ovarian phases and how inflammation affected the ovary. It specifically applied to pigs.
We collected, I think it was roughly 1,400 blood samples for antibody titers of PRRS.
Base requirements of gestating sows and the movements of standing and lying of those same gestating sows.
So we are trying to come up with different alternatives or ways to improve protocols for surveillance at breeding farms in order to help producers to understand when they eliminated birds from their farms.
So understanding really how that immune system interacts with those viruses or bacteria. And if we can understand that better, maybe we're better able to produce vaccines that, prevent these things from being the massive cost that they are.
The benefit that comes from it is that you're investing in a passionate and well-educated spokesperson and advocate for the pork industry. But more likely, the value is a lot bigger than that, in that you provide entry into the pork industry that otherwise might not have existed for a lot of students.
My career may not keep me in animal ag, but because of my experience at Iowa State and the things that I learned, I can be outside of the industry and still an advocate for it.
Investing in those individuals like you guys are, you're investing in people that really want to figure these things out and want to be able to allow our producers to produce an incredibly high quality product, right? The best in the world.
It is an investment. It's an investment in intellectual talent. It's an investment in passion for future generations. We're one industry that has one goal, and that is to feed the world.
I know students in both, obviously, nutrition, which is kind of what I'm in, but also in genetics or physiology or reproduction or even meat science, who've all kind of been supported by this fellowship. And at its core, what that's going to do is train pretty highly intelligent and highly capable individuals that are going to go out and make a difference in the swine industry, no matter where we go.
The producers and the consumers all want the same thing. Everyone wants to be sustainable. Everyone wants to have, available food. We want to have a good food supply. Everyone wants that food to be affordable so everyone can eat. And that research is really what's interjecting itself into that space.
I think it's very important that we have professionals that are under development by this program.
I think the only thing to add would just be another thank you.
Well, thank you. And again, I really appreciate the support that IPPA provided me for my PhD research.
Greatly appreciate your guys' investment in us. And, we work every day to help pay it off, right? To do our best for you guys and do our best for the swine industry here in the state.
Just thanks to IPPA for supporting me, supporting other graduate students that have been through the program and that continue to go through the program. It's really helpful to us.
I just want to thank the IPPA for the fellowship and the opportunity they provided me. Without that, I would likely not be sitting where I am right now.
Just to emphasize how, as basically a city kid with no ag background, how, you know, the education that I was able to get at Iowa State because of the IPPA funding really helped shape me as a person, and really allowed me to advance.
I just want to say thank you.